comprehensive is third year, we charge you this amount. Anything wrong with the system, no question, we will replace it during the servicing.
Which amount?
782.
Yes.
That
With the
means
humans, yes.
monthly we need to pay 1,570.
But VMS will be separate now.
It's already included 1,517.5.
Another option 3 is anything wrong with the system, we repair or maintenance, full maintenance, we charge at 250, inclusive of clean up all the grease, put the grease into the barricade. All this is a maintenance per time call.
250 is
Per time call. Let's say three options.
That is add-on.
Yes.
The comprehensive after the 24th month.
735 is the VMS, 782.5 is the comprehensive
Yes,
maintenance.
yes, that one is comprehensive.
Comprehensive came in at 399, comprehensive maintenance after the 24th month.
No, 299 is preventive.
That is havoc.
Yes. Preventive we can't
Preventive is
check.
299, they give you 4 times service quarterly.
And then you call unlimited call. They say anything break down, no limited. Yes. Just for backup service.
Okay, clear.
If you want to take up, sorry, I'm very straightforward. Okay. If you don't want to use it anymore and you want to take back, or what penalty that we have, and what sort of things that we have to pay according to your
Okay, pick up on barrier or VMS.
everything we do.
Ke VMS belum lagi kan?
40%, the percentage from the balance amount.
Sorry?
40%, 40 you need to pay. 40% what?
From the balance amount.
The rest amount how much?
Sekarang sudah bayar berapa?
Sekarang
Gaji.
sudah
Card
bayar.
and one cable will be different. Talking about the renting 1565 times 24 months.
Sudah bayar 15.
15,000.
That one is for cabling and card.
5,000.
Can you tell me the total of the cost, how much?
Total for the cost in
That means we need to add up the 24 months of 1565 and the 24 months of 735 and included the one-off costing paid. Is it the total? Ini kena bayar lah. Hari itu dia tak cakap tu ini 12009 dengan 450.
1565 times 24 months.
We are represent all of the residents here. We want to give them a clear picture. We want to discuss with them what they want.
Okay. Okay. You see, in fact, barricade has been done. So the summary amount is 1565 times 24 months. Contract is 27560. Okay, VMS is 735/24 17,640. Okay, the wiring, whether you continue, example, someday you want to continue or things, wiring you pay, you cannot take back. It is a remain there. Wiring and cut will be remain, yes. The installment for this,
installment je, so you don't have to put this one 12,000, tak payah buat.
Benar.
This one don't need.
Saya tahu.
actually it's good for some right seat for new kids. But any question you can ask us in
Yeah. Is it possible if you want to use the previous card?
previous car, but they want easy but creating.
It's okay because within the budget.
Oh,
And it's proven for the user.
Because they still have this, so you can reuse.
reuse.
We can use back
Or that
our
means
current.
the new card they use and then the old card they use together. You mean?
Previous card because new card.
We just want to use the old card.
Old card.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because like this, if you say about the technology, Tesla also said autonomous is the best, but Tesla also have a problem with the whatever technology.
Okay, why don't I
So
do
that's
that?
why we still back driving manually.
I know. You see, why don't like this? Let Mr. Suresh look up the data. I think statistic numbers of car having problem. You see, in after installing.
No, that one is different issue. Because the technology is not proven yet. So we cannot accept your problem is your technology problem.
Okay.
So we want to use what is proven only. Okay.
Before we decide on this, why don't you, Mr. Suresh, give me the statistic numbers of car having these problems? I believe that all
I
of
think
y'all
you
also
should come up.
problems.
You should come up with your statistic to test which tinted cannot
Actually,
use.
when you use it, we waiting feedback from management, like from guard, numbers of car not okay. But many times we came in, there are few times of power trade, then the reader no power, then cannot use. Based on the job sheet we handling servicing now. Why don't like this? Get us the statistic, number of car cannot use. Then
Use means what?
like
They
just
have problem.
yes.
Why you should come up with the cannot use instead of you try to improve your system,
No.
right?
Because why you want to see, I believe all also problem solving. Okay, I believe you are very professional on this. Before we give a solution, you see, so far in the group chat, I didn't see anything that how many thousand cards cannot be used. So as a vendor, I hope you can give a
Sorry,
feedback. Yes.
because a lot of residents did not apply.
Sorry.
They did not apply, including us. We did not apply.
Yeah.
They now they still
Because we didn't agree about that. That's why.
Yeah, because once you open your car window, you open for the any what they call it, case someone, anything can happen already. That's why we don't want to open the car window in front of the gate. That's why this the most dangerous thing. Open the gate or open the door in front of the gate.
Because I believe that the time we implement this one, we also stated the tinted firm there will be minor percentage, not all. Why don't like this? You give me the input. What problems you're facing?
You try to solve the two problem. I think you already have right
You
the
let me know
number.
the listing, how many cars,
For me, what I encountered the major two cars.
two cars lah. Okay,
You try
two
to
cars
solve
one
it.
we have a solution. If let's say very tinted I have one sticker type RFID stick on windscreen one. That one.
There will be different price, right?
Same price.
Same price.
We can exchange you card. That's why you let me know the input. That's why we want to problem solving together with you all. Hope to work together with you all also together. I'm not saying that we want to hear from you the problems.
I would like to suggest, I would like to ask, if let's say we can, at least we can ask the resident to accept this system as very good. Can you give us special price?
agreement and design because very helpful. You see, let's say you tell me a lot of problem like card cannot pass through, I can replace your RFID sticker. That definitely can pass through one. The RFID sticker stick on outside the windscreen. That one is weatherproof like your RFID whole pass highway.
Still have a problem, right? You know, a lot of RFID car have a problem with that.
I have one testimonial in Regina. They use two type of things. Card or sticker. So the sticker isn't fully tinted. Some car is more than 50% illegal tinted by not approved by JBJ. They use a sticker stick outside. Regina there's one side. They use most 2,000 pieces already. The reason they're using this one is to not not easily cloned by someone. If you want to reduce law issue like you see majority landed property or gated and guarded they're facing one issue, card easy clone. After that people clone the card, people get illegal access. So things can be taken for future. But we do prevent it. That's why this technology came in. Actually this technology not new.
Selama ni pun tak ada masalah kan?
Tak ada masalah.
Whether any problem with the RFID, we can replace you sticker, can restore your ticket. I need to know number of card. Even though Regina nearby your place, they got
That's your
card.
proposal lah.
Yeah, but no charge they want for card.
Apa ni
Replacement card.
now on the price lah because approval
It's too high.
But replace this one, we don't charge you because we
No,
also want
this is
to-
different because we have two level. One is technical, another one is financial.
Okay.
So financial because approval is not what you could. So that's the thing. The biggest issue is approval letter.
Oh, because sorry to say this, when during the time we process the order and we give all proposal, the decision from JMP side usually we hardly to ask usually they give us a PO accordingly on these items. Then we proceed.
That's why we cannot proceed with the current previous committee because the committee already what we call reported to tribunal. So this is under case or you want to wait for the tribunal. That will be much more longer. That's why we try to find a solution other way. We try to comply with whatever we already agreed in the AGM, which is much more easier for us. If you can comply with financial, that will be much more easier. Am I right? Kan? Macam tu. Yang itu you faham kan?
I faham. You see,
okay.
as a vendor responsibility, we have to perform our job. Let's say you mentioned that card issue, we give solution on that. We have numbers of card, we replace with sticker. Because this sticker is not one time using in Malaysia, already used by Regina, J1. Some more they're using about more than 2,000 pieces. Definitely for technically, just like you mentioned, but technically they cannot comply. So why don't you tell me numbers of card, we comply with that, then no issue on technical really. Our job definitely as a vendor, we perform according to your PO, your contract. That's why this agreement being signed accordingly.
That's why the illegal lah, we call it illegally.
Because as a vendor also difficult also, you know.
Yeah, that's why I understood.
You know, in business, I hope you can understand our situation.
Yeah, because actually if you aware with the previous town hall, during that time it's still in the what they call implementation. We already mentioned that we still have
not agree with that.
so